ओ ओ सदाशिवसमारम्भां शङ्कराचार्यमध्यमाम् अस्मत्श्रीगुरुपर्यन्तां वन्दे गुरुपरम्पराम्। अनेकजन्मसम्प्राप्त कर्मबन्धविदाहिनी आत्मज्ञानप्रदानेन तस्मै श्री श्री गुरवे नमः। जय गुरुदेव। अच्छा, good. How many of us, I would want everybody to come on the video. It feels better if I can see everyone. It is good. जितने लोग हो सके उतने अपने वीडियो पे आ जाएंगे तो अच्छा रहेगा। हाँ। सत्य, अहिंसा, शौच, अपरिग्रह. These were the 4 points that we learned yesterday till date. Correct? Yes, no? Anything else that I missed out on? Did I miss out on anything? Satya, aparigraha, shaucha, and what was the other one? Shraddha ji, you can unmute yourself. हाँ सरिता जी बोलिए. What was it? Ahimsa. Ahimsa. Okay, good. Today we are going to speak about tripti, contentment. Okay, let me give you this example, best example. A child goes and writes an exam and he thinks he will get 90, but he gets 85. What will be your position? Will you start fighting? Ki bhai, I wrote for 90, but I should get an 85. Do you have that kind of a feeling? How many of us have that kind of a feeling? Many a times when I say that I have written for 90, why I got 85? That is because your teacher knows where you went wrong. Similarly, your guru knows how much he should give you for this prarabdha. Yeah, it's a percentage. Yes, it's a percentage. Okay. You're getting my point. An examinee cannot be an examiner. A person who's writing the exams cannot be an examiner. Correct? Yes or no? All of you agree with me? Huh? So now when you think that you were supposed to get 50 lakh rupees salary, but you landed up getting only 20 lakh rupees salary, the guru knows that you are fit only for 20 lakh rupees salary. Contentment comes with the faith that guru knows what to give us. गुरु को पता है कि वो हमको क्या दे रहा है, सुख हो या दुख हो. Do you agree with me? Yes or no? Or do we know better than the guru? Do we know better than the guru? How many of us say we know better than the guru? Raise your hands. Then we are not supposed to be on this path only. है कि नहीं? So when we have that faith that the guru will give me what I need when I want, it means you have achieved contentment. Now reflect on you telling, I did this much of sadhana for this many years, but I have not got any siddhi because you don't deserve it. Very hard fact, very difficult to digest. If you're happy, perplexed, that's because grace helped you to get 20 out of 20. You did nothing, Aki, in that. Sometimes in life, you get more than what you deserve. Yes or no? How many times we have, sometimes in the worst of the situations, we have got more than what we deserved. That what you deserved is grace. But you did not deserve it, but you still got it because the Guru is compassionate towards you. And still we fail to smile on this path. फिर भी इस रास्ते पे आके हमारे चेहरे पे मुस्कान नहीं होती, हम लोग रोते रहते हैं. Contentment is trusting that the Guru knows how much to give. I still remember in one of the meditation sessions with Gurudev during the COVID time, one meditation session he took for around 42 minutes. Very deep meditation, very deep meditation. Some people said, Guruji, I am blissed out. Some people said, I have no thoughts. Some people said, there was these kind of energy jumps in my body and all that. Gurudev said, I know how to balance the regulator of the bodies. So don't worry. We can only regulate the fan. He knows how to regulate the energy in our bodies. That is the power of an enlightened master. एक सिद्ध गुरु का वो लक्षण है कि वो समझता है कि उसको कितना ट्यूनिंग देना है, कितना एनर्जी देना है. Who are we to ask for anything when he knows how much to give? दाता जब जानता है कि उसको कितना देना है, तो हम मांगने वाले कौन होते हैं? अब कुछ लोगों का ईगो आ जाएगा बीच में. There will be some people who will have their egos. How can Guruji know? अरे जिसने बनाया है उसको नहीं पता कि आपको क्या खिलाना है. Doesn't the maker know how much, doesn't the mother know how much the child wants to eat? And how much can the child eat? Who are we to ask? First of all, मेरे को ये बताओ कि हमारे अंदर क्या क्या क्वालिफिकेशन है कि हम लोग मांगे? What qualification do we have that we can ask the master of the world for something? At the end of the day, we go and ask for pebbles only. Guruji, मेरा job ठीक करा दो. Guruji, मेरा ये. अरे Guruji is not for that. Guruji is here to give you enlightenment, Papa. There was once a very intelligent sadhak, like all of us. Guruji, when we have to drop all the siddhis, why are you giving the siddhis in Sanyam program? Guruji said, first get hold of it. Then you can leave it. If you don't have it, how will you leave it? Am I making sense? पहले उसको प्राप्त तो करो, फिर छोड़ने की इच्छा करो. प्राप्ति नहीं किया तो इच्छा क्या करोगे भाई? जो है ही नहीं उसको छोड़ोगे कैसे? The one siddhis which you don't have, how can you leave it? You have to acquire it to leave it, no? It should be with you so that you can let go of it. गुरु की मार बड़ी जोर की होती है. हम लोग समझते नहीं है. हम लोग अपने अहंकार से उसको ढक लेते. अरे गुरुजी बड़े प्यार से बोल रहे हैं. गुरुजी की मार अगर समझ में आ जाए तो हम लोग सीधे हो जाएंगे. We take Guruji's like words for very granted. That is not the way as a sadhak we should be. गुरुदेव की बातों को बड़ा ग्रांटेड ले लेते हैं हम लोग. इससे साधना में कोई प्रगति नहीं होगी. मैं बोल रहा हूँ. You will not achieve any kind of progress in your sadhana if you take Gurudev's words lightly. I am telling you. श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्परः संयतेन्द्रियः ज्ञानम लब्ध्वा पराम शांतिम अचिरेणाधिगच्छति. कितने लोग ईश्वर प्रणिधानत्व प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं? हाउ मेनी ऑफ अस आर प्रैक्टिसिंग ईश्वर प्रणिधानत्व? Any difference you people are able to see in your sadhana? How many of you are able to see? Okay, just let me know what is the difference. You can either put it on chat or even open the mic and speak anything. श्रद्धा जी आप बताइए आपको क्या डिफरेंस लग रहा है?
पहले मैं सोचती थी कि साधना तो मैं कर रही हूँ। मैं आश्रम में भी एक दीदी से बोली थी मैं रोज करती हूँ। तो दीदी जब बोले अरे भाई तुम क्या कर रहे हो, तुम्हारा डूअरशिप तो नहीं गया। तो मैंने वो इतना मुझे समझ में नहीं आया। वो उन्होंने जो बोला मुझे नहीं समझ में आया। लेकिन अभी मैं जो आपने बोला ना ईश्वर प्रणिधाना, तो वो समझने अभी भी नहीं समझ में आया है, कोशिश कर रही हूँ मैं। तो वो फर्क है साधना में कि मैं नहीं कर रही हूँ, कोई और है। तो वो है, फर्क है। मैं अभी
आप
ऐसा बता नहीं सकती, लेकिन है, कुछ तो है।
बस वो कुछ तो है ही, ईश्वर का सानिध्य है। वो कुछ तो है जो आप बता रहे हो ना, देयर इज सम डिफरेंस। दैट डिफरेंस इज द प्रेजेंस ऑफ द गुरु ड्यूरिंग योर साधना, दैट्स इट। दैट एम्प्टीनेस दैट यू फील ना। हाँ हाँ, अमन बोलो बेटा।
एम्प्टीनेस तो ऑफ कोर्स होती है साधना में, अगर ध्यान लगा लो तो भी होती है और गुरु को समर्पण कर दो तो भी होती है। बट इसमें जो एक स्माइल आती है ना लास्ट में, मेरे दांत बाहर आ जाते हैं, इतनी बड़ी स्माइल आती है। तो फर्स्ट डे सेकेंड डे लेट आई, आज किया मैंने तो मिडल में आई, अब मेरे को लग रहा है स्टार्ट होते ही आ जाएगी बस वो। और इट डजंट गो
परफेक्ट।
देन। तो मतलब वो फील हो
एग्जैक्टली।
जाता है अंदर कि भाई कुछ नहीं है, सिर्फ अपन तो प्रैक्टिस ही कर रहे हैं। अगर वही मान के चले ना कि उनको दे दिया है, अपन बस कर रहे हैं, कुछ नहीं लगता है, कुछ भी नहीं लगता है।
एंड
वंडरफुल
दैट इज
फीलिंग,
अ
मतलब
वेरी
गॉडली
स्टेट,
फीलिंग।
वेरी हाई स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग इन दैट। चंदा जी, आप कुछ बोलना चाहती हैं? आपने अनम्यूट किया है, बोलिए।
जी गुरुदेव भैया,
जय
जैसा
गुरुदेव।
वो दीदी ने बोला ना, तो जैसे शब्दों में नहीं बताते थे, कई सालों से कर रहे थे, लेकिन जब से आपके साथ जुड़े हैं, आपके सेशन सुन रहे हैं, आप जो ट्रिक्स बता रहे हैं, वो ध्यान में रख के हम कोशिश करते हैं, तो काफी हद तक चेंज समझ में आ रहा है। वो बताते नहीं आएगा क्या है।
हम्म,
जय गुरुदेव भैया।
जय गुरुदेव। सो इफ यू लुक एट इट, अगर आप देखो ये पूरी चीज को, इसको थोड़ी सी श्रद्धा के साथ करोगे तो अपने आप साधना में गहराई आ जाएगी। एंड इफ यू कीप ऑन प्रैक्टिसिंग दिस, एवरी मोमेंट ऑफ योर लाइफ विल बिकम साधना। कंटेंटमेंट, आई एम contented, that's it. That one statement, I don't need anything, I am contented. And then you do your sadhana. All the feverishness also will go away during your sadhana. ऑल द फीवरिशनेस विल गो अवे। मैं बोल रहा हूँ, जितना भी तड़प है ना कि ये चाहिए वो चाहिए साधना कर रहे हैं, करने के लिए कर रहे हैं। अगर साधना गुरुजी देना चाहेंगे दे देंगे, नहीं देना चाहेंगे तो भी हम साधना कंटिन्यू करेंगे। वो शूरता आ जाएगी अपने अंदर। I don't mind even if Guruji doesn't want to give me anything. I am perfectly fine with it. Even if he gives, he doesn't give, it doesn't bother me. I will continue doing my sadhana. That valor, that courage will come into you. I don't bother about the results of sadhana. I am doing it because I have to offer it to the divine. That one feeling will change the way you do your sadhana. Instead of a tick box activity, instead of a checkbox activity, it will become a wonderful offering to the divine. अब काफी जो ईगो में है उन लोगों को ये चीजें पसंद नहीं आएंगी. Those people who are in ego will not accept this learnings. They cannot. क्योंकि उनको लगता है कि मैं ही तो साधना कर रही हूं और कौन कर रहा है. अरे तुमसे करवाया जा रहा है. ये चीज समझने में बहुत टाइम लगता है. और ये समझ में भी आ गया तो इसका अनुभव जो रहता है वो अगले लेवल पे रहता है. आपका हर एक काम साधना हो जाएगा. मेरे लिए आप सबके साथ बात करना एक औपचारिकता नहीं है, ये मेरे लिए एक साधना है. दिस इज माई ओन साधना टू ऑल ऑफ द डिवाइन रिसाइडिंग इन ईच वन ऑफ यू. ये अपने आप में मेरे लिए एक साधना है कि प्रभु, अगर मेरी वाणी से किसी की साधना में गहराई जा रही है तो वो आपके चरणों में अर्पित किया हुआ फूल है. दैट्स इट. The only feeling that I have when I speak to all of you is that this is also a sadhana which I am offering as a flower unto your lotus feet, O Master. That's it. Doesn't matter whether you people understand it, not understand, but if you just be in the presence, that's enough. That is contentment. I am contented with what I am sharing with you because I have practiced these. And that is why I am able to share this with you. Ishvara pranidhanatva. Nothing else matters. Contentment. How many of us do it with the sadhana karna, sadhana karna, sadhana karna, I have to do sadhana, I have to do sadhana. That itself becomes such a big feverishness. You don't need to do sadhana then. Do sadhana with contentment. Wow, what a beautiful breath. My body is able to take in this much of breath. Amazing contentment. Just see how silent, how the mind is getting focused. एक contentment का सांस लेके बैठ, Gurudev, I have everything that you give. Balanced. और कुछ चाहिए ही नहीं. Whether he gives or he doesn't give, when it doesn't matter to you, that is when you are a sadhak with valor. वो दे ना दे, मेरे को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता, मैं अपनी साधना करता रहूंगा. क्या हम उस भाव से कर सकते हैं? शेर जैसे किसी भी बाधाओं से नहीं डरता, वो चीर के आगे चल जाता है, ऐसे ही साधक की तरह मिले ना मिले मैं तो अपनी साधना के पाथ पे चलूंगा. Walk like a lion which shreds apart all the obstacles on the path and just emerges victorious. That is how your sadhana should be. Wake up the valor in you. Where are you sleeping? Stop being a beggar asking this, that. You're not for that. You're here to give. देने के लिए आए हो आप. लेते तो भिखारी हैं, आप लोग साधक है भाई. वो साहस जगाओ अपने अंदर. मेरे को जो चाहिए होगा वो परमात्मा दे देगा, मैं किसी के आगे हाथ नहीं जोड़ूंगा. Stop being a beggar. Seriously, stop being a beggar. You deserve more than what it is. आज का सेशन थोड़ा झकझोरने वाला है, लेकिन कुछ किया नहीं जा सकता है. कब तक कैसे मांग मांग के जो, how long will you ask, Gurudev, give me this, Gurudev, give me that, Gurudev? Gurudev is here to give you the most precious jewel called as enlightenment. Take that from him. मेरे पास एक गाड़ी आ जाए, मेरे पास एक घर आ जाए, मेरे बेटे की शादी हो जाए, मेरी बेटी का दामाद सही से हो. जय गुरु. छोटी मोटी चीजें, these are all the by product. भाई जब दूध से दही बनाते हो तो दही से मक्खन बनता है, मक्खन से घी बनता है कि नहीं? मेन चीज क्या है? दूध है ना, है या नहीं? मेन चीज क्या है? दूध है ना. ओनली विथ मिल्क कैन यू गेट बटर मिल्क एंड अदर थिंग्स, ऑल दैट. द मिल्क इज द एनलाइटनमेंट. व्हाई आर यू आस्किंग फॉर बटर, घी एंड ऑल दैट? वेक अप. You know, one thing which I don't like in sadhaks is when they take the knowledge session very casually. Even today, when people sleep and listen to knowledge sessions, that is not the right way to listen to knowledge sessions. वहीं पे श्रद्धा आदि डाउन हो जाती है. सीधा बैठ के सुनना चाहिए साधना, सेवा, सत्संग का ज्ञान. The more straight you sit and listen to, the more श्रद्धा. बॉडी अपने आप उस ज्ञान को सुनने के लिए तत्पर रहता है. कब तक झुके मरे टाइप ऐसे 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 लड़खड़ाते रहो? ज्ञान के लिए बैठना, सीधा सीना तान के बैठो. Sit straight in knowledge sessions. That energy is completely different. There you are more receptive. ऐसे बैठे रहोगे तो ऐसे ही ज्ञान जाएगा. ऐसे बैठोगे तो ज्ञान जाएगा भी. Yes or no? अगर ज्ञान के प्रति श्रद्धा नहीं है तो साधना के प्रति क्या श्रद्धा होगी? If you don't have respect for the knowledge, then what kind of faith you will have in your sadhana? Third class faith in knowledge, third class faith in sadhana, third class results in sadhana. then don't say Guruji is not doing miracles. Why are you blaming Gurudev when you are not giving first class time to him? इसी को गुरुदेव बोलते हैं उत्कृष्ट, मध्य और निकृष्ट साधक। संयम में बोला है गुरुजी ने, मैंने नहीं बोला है, उन्होंने बोला है, मैं तोता हूं बस। हाँ? अभी नेक्स्ट आता है, द नेक्स्ट थिंग इन दैट देवी आसन इज द लोटस। द लोटस इज द साइन ऑफ blossomed consciousness in the Sahasrara Chakra. That is where the Devi resides. So you need to have all these qualities of a kurma, the stability of a tortoise, the fierceness of a lion, the intuitive ability of the siddhas and the yogis, and the blossoming intellect, which says a yes to everything. Only a blossomed intellect can say yes to everything. A confused intellect will say no for everything. अरे कैसे होगा, क्या करेंगे, क्यों होगा? जिसमें श्रद्धा नहीं है वही ये सब सवाल उठाएगा. One who has no faith will have questions all over the place. One who is focused, one he knows is through his intuitive ability, one who has a blossomed consciousness will always have a yes in his mind. So for the exercise for tomorrow, if somebody comes to you, let's see how many times you say yes. That's all. Simple. If your daughter is troubling you, wow, yes, come on, trouble me, give it more. If your son is troubling you, come on, give it more. If your boss is troubling you, come on, give it on, give it on. I am more stronger than you. That is how you need to prepare your mind. That is when you prepare yourself for sadhana. Otherwise, you remain weak all through and keep crying, keep cripping. Guruji is not doing this, Guruji is not. Why will you do it some for a crying baby? Why should you do something for a cry baby? For everything, you will cry. You get bananas, you will cry. Just give me a second, please. Yes or no? So for tomorrow, what is the exercise? Whoever comes with whatever, what you will say? A yes. Not with a dirty smile, not with a ha ha, aja, aja. Aise nahi. Yes, get it on. I am ready. Can you do that? Can all of us do that? Yes, no? That yes, which comes from that confidence, comes only when you have contentment. Oh, Gurudev, come on, play with me more. Bring on the troubles more. Bring it on. Can you do that? Huh? Yeah, Aki, you wanted to say something? Or you have already replied? You already replied. I think I read your message. Yeah, I read your message. Today I needed to service my car that was already a huge hit on my back. Then we unexpectedly found out the 2 tires are illegal. And one is with a huge defect that's dangerous, and the other also practiced honesty against him. And we came to a great solution with trust. See? Honesty. Wonderful, Lucky. If you practice these yamas and niyamas every day, your sadhana will be miracle. Your life will be a miracle, Baba. मेरे को यहाँ पे बैठ के कुछ नहीं मिलता. मेरे को बस ये है कि आप सबकी जिंदगी एक सुंदर फूल है जो मैं गुरुजी के चरणों में समर्पित कर दूं. That's all. The only desire I have is, can I offer these lives which are trusting this knowledge as a flower to the divine? Possible? Yes or no? हाँ अमन, you want to say something?
कल तो संडे है सर, पूरे दिन रूम में ही बैठे रहेंगे भैया.
तो कल
पर
तो करना क्या है? तो तुम्हारे दिमाग में भी कुछ कुछ आता रहेगा ना,
2
साधना
दिन
की
का बोलो
सेवा
ना,
की.
2 दिन का बोलो ना, तो मैं संकल्प लेता हूँ 2 दिन के लिए.
तुम्हारे लिए 5 दिन, अगले मंडे से लेके अगले सैटरडे तक. ठीक है, चलो. आपने मांगा, हमने दिया, बस. अब जो मांगा है वो करो. ठीक है. Monday to Saturday, you are saying in contentment and saying yes to everything. Okay. that blossomed consciousness which says a yes for everything, you see that the Devi is there right within you. Only a confused negative mind will say no, 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 no for everything. And then it will become a crybaby. But if you are a sadhak, wake up and say yes to everything. And then you see the difference. You believe it or not, I have been in sessions. I keep on telling that I have been in sessions from morning 1 o'clock till now. Again, after this, I have one more session. I never say no to it. If there are so many people waiting, trusting you, why should I leave it? If you can uplift somebody's, I'm still searching with ahimsa and boundaries. Don't worry. Ahimsa comes with the boundaries of not hurting somebody. That is the boundary of ahimsa, where you don't hurt anybody. That's all. So I have been saying yes to everybody from morning till now. I never said no. How is it possible? When you have a yes in the mind, the Devi creates that energy within you. ठीक है? Got it? हाँ अमन बोलो.
तो प्लीज वो 5 पॉइंट वापस बोले ना, तो दिमाग में जाएंगे. टॉर्टोइज एंड देन
Tortoise, lion, you have the rishis, you have the intellect rishis who are there, and there is one more which I forgot. Tortoise is seated, on that you have the lion, on that you have the rishis, in that you have the lotus. Yes, in the lotus. Okay. Good. And when you practice Padma Sadhana, all these 4 qualities are given to you. Why? I will tell you the reason now. Because after you practice the asanas, your body becomes like a tortoise, stable for meditation. Right? When you stretch your body, when you expand your limits, when you say that this body is not mine, and you sit in that sadhana, नौकासन नहीं हो रहा है लेकिन अपने आप को कंफर्ट करके पुल कर रहे हो, that is the lion within you. And then when you sit for meditation, you become a rishi automatically. So Padma Sadhana is nurturing all these aspects within you. Got it now? Some more deeper aspects later. ठीक है, आज के लिए इतना ही. Enjoyed? Was this good? Was this good? The session you liked? So you are like a lion. Tear all the obstacles and rise to be like a benevolent flower on which the Devi can sit and bless everybody. Offer your session to the Devi. Offer this loving to the session also, Dipanshu, to the divine, because it is a divine who speaks. यहाँ पे हम कुछ नहीं है. देखो, जब मैं हमेशा, I always keep this telling this example, you know, the porridge is served by the master. The porridge is eaten by all of you. How will the spoon know the taste of the porridge? The spoon doesn't know. चम्मच को पता नहीं है कि खीर कैसे बनी है. आप लोग स्वाद चख रहे हो, बनाने वाला वो है, वो परोस रहा है, आप खा रहे हो. चम्मच को क्या ही पता चलेगा? The spoon doesn't know anything. So become that spoon for many more people, right? And we have one happiness program coming soon. I will announce that. If you have somebody, please share that with them. And tomorrow we shall have the concluding session of this Padma Sadhana. This much is enough. Even if we practice this much, we can go to the next level. Okay? Was this good? Did you all like it? Enjoy the sessions?
वंडरफुल वंडरफुल.
Okay. So that wonderful also goes to the divine. Nothing is mine. Aparigraha. You are giving me all these compliments. It's not mine. It's to the divine. Okay. Live what you say. Wonderful. A divine is praising the divine within others. That's all. If you say you loved the session, it is because the divine inside you is loving the session, which is sharing. That is the divine within me. That's all. So the me is sharing everything with others. That's it. Okay. जय जय राधा रमण हरि बोल. जय गुरुदेव. जय गुरुदेव.